All right, guys, it's been a while since we did a rolling museum showroom walk. We're gonna do a quick walk around of what we got in the showroom. Right here, we got a 76 Eldorado. She got the wide white walls, brand new set. Interior is beautiful. Gotta love a Cadillac. Dash is in excellent condition. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the Cadillac 500, Hydro Boost brakes, AC, power steering. You know, the Cadillac 500 was the biggest engine put in a production car. She's absolutely beautiful. All right, we got a 1967 Chevy Chevelle convertible. Almost the same color as the Eldorado. Interior's in excellent condition. Upper dash in great shape. Engine bay is in great shape. She got the 396 big block rated at 325 horsepower. Backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes. She ready to go, guys. We got the 78 Cadillac Eldorado Barrettes. I love this interior. Most comfortablest classic I ever sat in. Absolutely beautiful. Upper dash in great shape. She has the 425 cubic inch Cadillac engine. Hydro boost brakes, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. We got a 1966 Cadillac Coupe DeVille convertible. She got 22-inch spokes and vogues on her. Brand new set. Paint is absolutely beautiful. I'd say she a solid 9. Interior is immaculate. Dash in great shape. This the one, guys. And she has the 429 bent V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering. She run good, guys. I already showed the Chevy 454 SS. She already sold. But you can't find no OBS truck with a dash in this condition. And there she is, the 454. It's got the throttle body injection. That TBI system is bulletproof. I put a 2-barrel system like off of 454 on my 455 O's in my Regal. It ran pretty good, it just didn't have that much top end, but the torque was all there. This one pretty unique. She's still beautiful. 1974 Volkswagen thing. Just something nice and simple and reliable. And it's a manual. Top come down, windows come off. We got a Buick LeSabre here. She got Rucci wheels. Paint is in good condition. She bad. I love the way she smells on the inside. And she has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter 4-barrel V8. Power brakes, power steering, AC. All original under there. We got the 96 Impala on 24-inch Culture Classic rips. She absolutely beautiful. Low miles. You gotta love a B-body. Bucket seats, console. Dash is in excellent condition. Back seats nice and clean. Hairline are good. Y'all already know what she got under there. The 350 cubic inch LT1 V8 with the infamous OptiSpark. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. We got a 1990 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance with 20-inch spokes and vogues. She absolutely beautiful, guys. I done fell in love with these 90 model Broughams. Interior nice and clean. Dash is in great shape. Headliner good. Back seat is in excellent condition. And she got a 5-liter V8. Look like her old 307. Power brakes, power steering, cruise control, AC. Can't go wrong with a Cadillac. And we got the 1975 Chevy Caprice convertible. She got the white walls. Interior's in excellent shape. Dash good. She got a 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. Power brakes, AC, power steering. She's bad. And last but not least, we got the 1997 Mercedes SL500. Got new BBS wheels. And it is a panoramic hardtop convertible. The hardtop comes off. And she got another convertible top that can come up. Interior's in excellent condition. Just a 2-seater. Just you and her. She got a big 5-liter V8 with all the creature comforts. One bad ride. All right, guys, I saved the best one for last. 1987 Buick Grand National with T-tops. She's absolutely beautiful. Y'all know I love G-bodies. She got a built motor and trans, all forged internals, bigger injectors, bigger turbo. She rated at roughly 550 horsepower to the wheels. In my opinion, the paint is a solid 9. And all the work that's been done is documented. She got all the invoices in the center console. You know, the 86 and 87 models did come intercooled, so they got a little bit more horsepower than the previous years. The first turbocharged Regal debuted in 1978 as the Regal Sport Coupe, and it was eventually replaced with the Regal T-Type in 1983. The Grand National didn't debut till 1982. There was no Grand National for 1983, and it returned for the 84 model year. What you call a true definition sleeper. Bucket seats, console. Dash is in excellent condition. She got an aftermarket shift light, Scan Master, Alky system. Boost and oil gauge. T-top channels, nice and clean. Let's start her up. She reads a little over 63,000, guys. She running good, guys. And she is available here at Rolling Museums. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. And y'all have a good one.